How to solve or fix massage gun that Pro massage gun is not working or turning on after you charge it, step by step in this video. Step 1 will be simply confirm it's actually charged. Plug it in using the original charger and leave it for at least 2 or 3 hours. Ensure the charging indicator light turns on while charging. If the light does not turn on, try a different wall outlet, maybe that's defaulty, and add a different compatible charger if you have it available. Step 2 will be check the power switch. Many FitRx models have a power switch at the bottom or side. Make sure it's switched on before pressing the start button. Some models need you to hold the power button for 2 or 3 seconds. Now do a soft reset. Some massage guns respond to a reset. Turn off the completely. Plug in into the charger for a few seconds, then unplug it. Switch the power on the press and hold the power start button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Step 4 is inspect for dirt or damage. Check the charging port for dust, debris, or damage. Use a dry brush or compressed air to clean the port gently. Make sure there are no broken pins or loose connections on it. Step 5 will be simply try a different charger if you have available. Some massage guns are picky about voltage and adapter type. If your charger is faulty or unpowered, the battery may never fully charge. Step 6 is battery or internal fault. If none of the above steps working, the issue may be a dead battery, a disconnected internal wire, a faulty control board. You can get it repaired with the customer care center of your Pro massage gun. This is the video all about. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.